Class 10th, good morning. Student, topic AP is continue and exercise 5.2. Now, question number 4. Question third we have already tried. Question is, which term of the AP? Here one AP is given. It is 3, 8, 13, 80 and so on is 78. Student, in this question you have to find 78 is which term? Which term? Now, it will let 78 is the nth term of the given AP. Given AP. Therefore, the formula for nth term it is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is 78. First term is 3 here. Now let us find d. D is called common difference, which is a2 minus a1. So it is 8 minus 3 is 5 plus n minus 1 into 5. Now we shift 3 to the left hand side. So it is 75 equal to n minus 1 into 5. We can cancel it by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 5 ja 25. So 15 equal to n minus 1. And nth term is 16. So n equal to 16 here. So we can say that 78 is the 16th term. Student, now question number 5. Find number of terms each of the following AP. So the given AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on and 205. 205 is the last term. So let this is the nth term. Let 205 equal to nth term. Then formula for nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is 205 equal to, first term is 7 and common difference d is 13 minus 7, which is 6. So it is 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. Now it is 205 minus 7 equal to n minus 1 into 6. It is 198. 15 minus 7 is 8, there is 9 and 1 equal to n minus 1 into 6. Then n minus 1 equal to 198 divided by 6. 6 3 ja 80, then 6 3 ja 18. So n minus 1 equal to 33 and n equal to 34. So we can say that this particular sequence having 34 terms. Number of terms equal to 34. Student, now question number 7. You will try question 6 yourself. Question is, find the 31st term of the AP, whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Here, A11, it is given 38 and A16 is 73. We will find the A31. It's a good question. Here, A11 means A plus 11 minus 1 into D equal to 38. Student, let first term is A, and the common difference is D. Equal to D. Then it is A plus 10D equal to 38. It is equation 1. Now 16 term is 73. Therefore A plus 16 minus 1 into D equal to 73. Or we can write A plus 15D equal to 73. It is equation 2. Let us find the value of A and D. So A plus 10D equal to 38 is equation 1. Now subtracting these two, minus, minus, minus. Here A cancel out. 15D minus 10D becomes 5D. And this side, 13 minus 8 is 5. There is 6. So it is 35. 5 7 is 35. So value of D equal to 7. Now we will find the value of A. So putting the value of D in equation 1. Putting the value of D in equation 1. Therefore, A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. Then A plus 70 equal to 38. And A equal to 38 minus 70, which is minus, it is 2, then 3, 62. That is, no, it is 2, 32. First term is 32. First term is minus 32. Now, to find the 31st term, it is A plus 30D. Now, A equal to minus 32 plus, it is 30 into D. D is 7. So, minus 32 plus 210. It is 8, then 10, 7, and 1. So it is 178. Therefore, 31st term is 178. Student, now next question is question number 8. Question 8. Student, see the question. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12. So here n equal to 50 because AP consisting 50 terms. And third term is A3 which is given 12. And the last term is nth term. It is 106. Find the 29th term. We have to find A29. And we can say A means 58 term. A 50 equal to 106. Because last term means nth term n equal to 50. So A 50 equal to 106. It is quite similar question. Same as question 7. Let us see the solution. Third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is 12. It is equation 1. A plus 49. D equal to 106. It is equation 2. Now subtract minus minus minus. A cancel. It is minus 47D equal to minus 104. Then no, it is 94. Then D equal to minus minus cancel. 47 to 94. So D equal to 2. Common difference of the AP is 2. Then we will find the value of A. So putting the value of A, D, putting D equal to 2 in equation 1. So A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. A equal to 12 minus 4. Then A equal to 8. First term of this sequence is A. Now we will find the A29. So A29 equal to A plus 28D. A equal to A 28 into 2. 8 plus 28 to the 56. Then it is 64. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 29th term of this sequence is 64. This way we will find the any given term if we are knowing the first term and the common difference.